Good morning, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Rodriguez. Today for closed reading, you're going to be working with determining the theme in the story. Your objective for today, students will determine the theme of the story using evidence from the text. The first thing you're going to do, boys and girls, is you're going to review the text features and yesterday's predictions. You're going to reread the text out loud, take notes such as the character, setting, and the problem. Last, you're going to think about the theme. Could be based on what those details and examples tell you. Okay, I went ahead and added a chart here to cover theme. Okay, we did theme in class, so you all should remember. Remember, theme is the message, moral, or lesson in a story. You're going to ask yourself, what did the characters learn? What important part of life is the story about? And around the anchor chart, there are different examples of theme. Some examples are respect, honesty, compassion, responsibility, acceptance, courage, equality, hard work, never give up, friendship, or love. These are the most common themes. So as I read the story, I want you guys to think, okay, what is the theme of the story? What is the moral of the story? What is this trying to teach me? What is the lesson of the story? Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and have the computer read you the story, Zebra and Wasp. We talked about this yesterday. This is a fable. Okay, so let me go ahead and start.
Zebra and Wasp by Claire Masica, 2017. Claire Masica has written for Highlights. In this fable, a zebra finds a wasp trapped in a spider web. As you read, take notes on what the wasp does. One sunny morning, Zebra visited the river to get a cool drink. As he dipped his mouth into the water, he heard a tiny voice coming from nearby. "Help me, Zebra," cried Wasp. "I'm caught in a spider web." Zebra flicked his ears and peered into a thorn bush. He spied Wasp tangled in a web of silver thread. Carefully, Zebra reached into the branches to free her, but the thorns jabbed his lips. "Ouch," wailed Zebra. He jerked his head back. "If I save you, I'll hurt myself." "Please help me," said Wasp. "One day I will return the favor and help you." Zebra laughed. "I'm fast and strong. No spider can trap me in its web. Besides, I have a whole herd of friends. Why would I need help from a little wasp?" "Please try one more time," Wasp said. Zebra stared at the little insect. She was struggling to beat her wings. With a sigh, Zebra poked his head into the bush again and knocked at the web. Luckily, it was enough to free Wasp. She tumbled to the ground. Thank you," Wasp cried. "Try to stay out of trouble," Zebra said to Wasp. "I might not be nearby the next time a spider gets hungry." Then Zebra turned around and galloped back to his herd. All day, the herd wandered across the plain. They quietly munched on grass. Zebra stayed with his herd until he noticed some berries. Licking his lips, Zebra went to taste the berries. Wasp was resting in the bushes when she saw Zebra walking in her direction. She also spied Lion hiding quietly in the leaves. If Zebra got too close to Lion, Lion would catch him. Thinking quickly, Wasp zoomed down and stung Lion. The surprised Lion howled, "Roar!" Zebra heard the loud cry. In a flash, he whirled around and galloped back to his herd. A moment later, Wasp buzzed around Zebra's head. "Try to stay out of trouble," Wasp said with a chuckle. "I might not be nearby the next time a lion gets hungry."
Okay, so that's the end of the story, boys and girls. As I was listening to the story, I was taking notes. So the characters are Zebra and Wasp. The setting is by a river. The problem was that Wasp got tangled in a spider web. And I also noticed that Zebra thought he was strong and that he would never need help. Okay, so I want you to think today, boys and girls, what is the theme of this story? So I want you guys to answer these questions carefully. Read each one carefully because they're each worth 50 points. Part B is your evidence to support your theme that you chose up here. So Part A and Part B have to do with one another. Okay? All right. Have a good day, boys and girls.